Electronically switchable PriWatt glass provides a beautiful way to control privacy and heat gain without shades, blinds, or external sunshades.
PriWatt glass is patented technology and is manufactured at the most advanced PDLC lamination facility in the USA, using the latest technology in the switchable glass industry. The first step in the manufacturing process is preparing the PDLC handcrafted smart film. Next, the film is applied between two high-quality, low-iron glasses under strict clean room conditions. The glass is then heated and laminated for maximum strength and durability on the machinery designed and programmed just for this product. A proprietary wiring configuration is added to the glass. The glass is now electronic and ready to switch. Every glass goes through an inspection process before leaving the facility. Smart Glass Technologies is a one-stop shop for smart glass, manufacture, logistics, installation, and service. We are committed to providing excellent service. That's why our Miami-based facility can guarantee the shortest production time in the industry, 30 days or less, depending on the complexity of the project. Every order is shipped with a dedicated delivery truck, and our customer service team is there to help you every step of the way. PriWatt Smart Glass is a unique combination of efficiency and beauty that can help transform an ordinary building into an extraordinary one. We're ready to start working on your next project.